What are we doing?
We're gonna go hiking.
We're going hiking?
Hiking.
Hiking. Hiking. Oh my gosh. And now we got a cutesy. It looks like root beer. Why did we have to walk over that? Danger is ahead. You can't fall off here. Okay, wow. I love this. This is fantastic. What are you talking about? Ah! Yes! Oh my god, this is cool. Oh. Oh. As one wanders off, there are 2 survivors left. Myself and this young lady here. How do you feel about this situation? How do you feel? She's laughing. She thinks it's funny. We are soaked. That's 94 feet down.
Hi. You were cold, weren't you? You were very cold. Cold and afraid, tired. Long hike.